how to reference on Siemens 808D, that is milling. First of all, when you switch the mains power from the machine at the back, the power comes on, but the power has not reached the machine. So what do we do for the power to reach the machine? So ensure that you switch on the power. You click on this power on, so that it comes on. Then here it's telling you the error. Click reset emergency to remove the emergency button, or you can use reset button. You can click the reset button, and then here also it can allow you to put tools. Before you put tools, let's home the machine. So click on the home this reference point, then click on the positive value, this one Z. When you click and hold on it, it goes home. Also for Y, it goes home. So these are the buttons you are using, and then X, it goes home. You see, all of them has been referenced. After referencing, you can now even change the coolant. If the coolant is okay, you can come to your coolant and adjust your coolant pipe. Maybe you can elongate it. You see the coolant pipe. If I click on this, you can elongate this coolant pipe. You can elongate the same at the angle. You can change the angle for this. You can change the angle for this, like this, the coolant. Then from there, you can also ensure to check the spindle. If the spindle is okay, you can do a dry run. So how do you do a dry run? Remove the mode, the refer mode, click on joke mode, then come to TSM. From TSM, put, for example, 1 here, select OK, come here, put, like they say 5,000, my machine is 8,000, I can put 8,000, click input, come here, select this one, input, come here, pick G54, and now ensure that you close the door. After closing the door, you can now do a dry run here. Just click cycle start. Cycle start is here. Cycle start. The tool changes and the spindle comes on. You are doing a dry run. You see now the spindle comes on. So you give it time to run for a certain period of time. If you go to this menu, machine mode, you're able to see the speed it's moving with. Spindle speed of 8,000, and even you can hear the speed. So this is dry run at maximum speed. And also this controller is very advanced. You can use either workpiece code system or machine code system. If I click on workpiece code system, it gives me the value for workpiece. If I click on the machine code system, it gives the value for machine code system. Actually the machine setting. Once you are okay with this, you can even reduce the speed again. Here, come here, reduce the speed maybe to 5,000 input, and then clockwise input, and then click here, cycle start. The speed reduces. You see the speed reduces, and you see it has changed here. You can go back here, maybe you can say 2,000 input, then cycle start. You see the speed reduces to a certain point. This is how you can home your machine. You can see how it is changing. Once you're okay with it, now you click reset. That is how you can reference your machine, and also you can warm your machine. Other things like setting up, even doing an execution of a program. For example, if it has a program, just click on execute the program. For example, this program dry run, it start now running. You're able to see the program doing a dry run. Yes, from the table, the program is doing a dry run. You're able to see what it is doing. So this is how you can maneuver with your program, with your machine, to achieve what you want to achieve. Then you can click on reset. It will reset automatically. In case it gives you an alarm, you must know which alarm has given you. For example, over travel, here it's saying over travel on X. So I click on joke mode here, and then I click on X, maybe over travel, I go negative, like this, it removes the alarm. Or you can click on reset, but once you do that, click on reset, it removes the alarm. So this is how you can maneuver your machine. This is how you can home your machine for Siemens 808D. This is the machine I'm using currently in my workshop. So in case you want to learn more on this, you can come physically in the workshop. We'll guide you on how to do setup, how you can create tools, how can you use TSM, do a setup of this, come workpiece, measure the tool, do all these operations. You can add all these features. Go to program, create a program, you go to offset, you do a setup, and also create a new tool. For example, create a new tool. How can you create a new tool? Category, maybe if I put number 1, say it exists, what does it mean? Maybe I put number 20, for example, or 12. I click OK. Then from there, I'm able to create my tool one by one. So this is how we teach you. We come to our workshop. We guide you on how to create a tool, how you can set up tool, how you can set up workpiece or work offsets using G54 to 59, and ensure that you run your machine. Also check on the user parameters, setting all of them one by one, so that from there you're able to run your machine and become an expert in CNC machining.